some real world examples, and we touched on some just there a little bit, or case studies where Einstein Copilot has significantly improved productivity? And I recognize this is a brand new thing that Salesforce just rolled out really in the last month. It's been in pilot for a year, but the number of use cases, to be fair to everybody, there's not a ton of them out there because people haven't been using this for very long. But where are you seeing and hearing of this being used, and what are some examples?
Yeah, so going through all the documentation that is available right now, Jim, I mean, it's sky's the limit here. You have many possibilities. Let's start with let's go through the sales workflow here. You would start with searching, querying opportunities. You can update Optis on the go. And I remember that through the documentation, I remember one use case that was about talking with Copilot in, just spoken language through mobile, and the sales rep saying, please update close deal X, Y, and Z with such and such information. So again, it's about productivity boosting and working and doing all this admin work in a faster way. So again, as thinking through the sales workflows here, prioritization of a sales rep work. Let's say that they can start by asking Copilot about their top priority deals, like what is going to close this week, what is likely to close this month, what is my best next action. They can also ask to draft a specific email. Now, if we think through the services use cases, we can ask for summarizing a case. We can ask Copilot to recommend solutions, and these solutions, let's think through the scenario where you have all your knowledge articles all scattered. So you can ask Copilot to recommend solutions, and this is, all these knowledge articles, they are going to be part of this, this search, and as part of this contextual response. We can talk through collaboration. So let's say we know that Copilot is available from Slack. So we can diagnose problems and collaborate with other service reps to solve a case and to respond to escalations and to approve solutions. So thinking out loud here through the services use cases. If we think about the e-commerce side, we can create promotions for a product based on the customer segments. And guys, it's about all sorts of actions. We can create marketing materials, we can make product recommendations, we can log internal IT tickets. There's a bunch. Sky is the limit. It's about understanding your business context, your workflows, and you can customize prompts for that.
I was just about to say, sky's the limit, it sounds like, and then you beat me to the punch. So Nina, she just gave a whole ton of examples. Is there anything else that's crossing your mind that as you're thinking about this, you're hearing or seeing people do, or you're considering utilizing?
I guess that there is something that it's really important here. Of course, I agree on all the features that basically Vivi mentioned, but I guess that there is something that is really special about Copilot, and is that basically when you are going to write a prompt, it's because you have a specific goal, So that is the difference. It's not just writing a prompt. It's because you have a goal. And for example, let's suppose that, as Vivi mentioned, you want to basically, summarize a case for, a sales rep or a customer rep that is helping you out with the case precisely. But behind that summary, of course, that also you want to reach out to, let's say, the customer, because you want to persuade him that, wait more time, or you are trying to sell something to that person. You can specify that type of goal in your prompt. And all the information that Copilot is going to create for you, it's really oriented to your main goal. But what is the difference? If you ask that to a person, of course that we can do it. Everyone knows how to write an email, right? But the thing is that this happens in seconds. So yeah, I would say that generally speaking, I need to provide some thoughts before writing an email, and I need to read carefully and yeah, double check. Sometimes even you need to validate your emails with your manager. I don't know, but in this type of cases, the information is going to be already written in natural language. It's up to you if you want, like, I don't know, more informal or more formal context. It's up to you, but the goal is key. And also you can feed with data to your prompts, and based on your data, on your records, the prompt is going to be built, and you are going to share that data to the large language model through OpenAI, and you are going to get a response, and that is going to be displayed to our user. But this happens in seconds. So you don't notice that you are moving from one place to another, and you are using basically the instant translator and that type of things. This is really quick, efficient, and fast. And on top of that, this is available for everything in Salesforce. So you are almost ready to go.